How to get rid of glass scratches. Glass surfaces are designed to reflect clarity and light, but even the smallest scratch can disrupt their smooth finish and diminish their appearance. Over time, everyday contact with dust, cleaning tools, or accidental friction can leave visible marks on windows, mirrors, glass tables, and screens. While these scratches may seem permanent, many of them can be reduced or completely removed using the right techniques and materials. Understanding the depth of the scratch is the first step. Light surface scratches often respond well to gentle polishing methods, while deeper marks may require more precise treatment. With proper preparation, careful application, and attention to detail, glass can often be restored without the need for replacement. This guide walks through safe, effective methods to help remove glass scratches, protect the surface, and restore a clean, polished finish with confidence. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to remove scratches from glass, keep your glass scratch-free, and when to call a professional. Now let's get started. Method 1. Remove scratches from glass. Number 1. Clean the glass to inspect the damage. DIY scratch removal methods work best on shallow scratches, so it's important to see how badly the glass is damaged. Spray the glass with glass cleaner and wipe it with a soft cloth. This will also help remove any coarse particles that could scuff the glass even more as you work. Allow the glass to dry completely before attempting to remove the scratch. Test the damage by running your fingernail across it. If your nail catches in the scratch, it's likely too deep to be repaired by DIY methods and it may be better to replace it. Number 2. Use toothpaste for an easy option. Apply a small amount of white, non-gel toothpaste to a soft cleaning cloth and gently buff the scratch in small, circular motions. Then, rinse the glass with water and inspect the scratch. Repeat the process as needed until the scratch is removed. Toothpaste that contains baking soda typically works best. If you see no progress after applying toothpaste 3 times, it may be better to try a different method. If you are cleaning a glass window, Golian suggests using a squeegee to work in an S pattern, and wipe any excess water and dirt from the blade as you go. Number 3. Try a baking soda paste as an alternative. In a bowl or container, mix equal parts of baking soda and water. Stir the mixture until it becomes a paste, then dip a soft cloth into it and dab a small amount onto the scratch. Work the paste into the scratch using a circular motion and check periodically to see how the scratch is looking. Rinse off the paste with water, and repeat as necessary until the scratch is gone. In general, you'll only need about a spoonful each of baking soda and water. It helps to wrap the cloth around your finger and press the cloth into the paste. This way, you'll pick up a small amount of the paste. Number 4. Use liquid pumice soap if you have it. Liquid pumice soap is a heavy-duty hand cleaner with abrasive elements that can sometimes remove scratches from glass. Apply a small amount of soap to a soft, damp cloth, then rub it onto the scratched surface using circular motions. Rinse the glass with a clean, damp cloth to check your progress, and repeat as necessary. Number 5. Buff the scratch with steel wool. Choose a fine number 0000 steel wool to buff away existing scratches without creating more. Rub the wool in a circular motion over the scratch for several minutes. Then, rinse the glass with water to remove any residue and see if the scratch is gone. Make sure the steel wool is new, as worn or rusty pads may damage the glass further. If the scratch remains after using the steel wool, it may be time to use a power tool or consider replacing the glass. Number 6. Try metal polish. Metal polish is designed to make metals brighter, but it's also effective at removing scratches in glass. Dab a tiny amount of metal polish onto a clean, soft cloth, then rub the scratched glass in light, circular motions for about 30 seconds. The scratch should lessen or disappear entirely. Don't add more polish, as using too much can damage the glass. Then, wash the remaining polish off with a clean, damp cloth. Be sure to use the smallest amount of metal polish possible, just enough to visibly see it on the cloth. Metal polish that contains cerium oxide works the quickest. Jeweler's rouge is a more expensive polish option. Metal polish is good for gently sanding large, delicate surfaces such as windshields. If the scratches don't come out easily, consider sanding the glass. Apply your polish to an orbital sander fitted with a soft cloth or buffing wheel on a cordless drill. Follow the sander's instructions to properly polish and sand the glass. Number 7. Apply a glass polish. Choose a glass polish that contains cerium oxide. This often comes in the form of a powder that needs to be mixed with water. Then, apply the polish with a soft cloth or by placing it on a machine polisher, like a felt wheel on a rotary tool. Follow the instructions in the manual to use the machine correctly. Once the scratch is gone, clean the glass with a damp cloth and let it dry. If you choose to use a rotary tool, place the polish on a felt wheel and run the tool on slow. If it dries out as you work, add more polisher as necessary. Alternatively, purchase a glass scratch filler kit online or at your local automotive or hardware store. These kits typically come with a glass polishing compound and special pads for application. Follow the kit's instructions to polish the glass correctly. Number 8. Apply clear nail polish to hide scratches in glass. Use the nail polish applicator brush to apply a thin layer of polish to the entire scratched area. Let the nail polish dry for about an hour. Once it's dry, lightly moisten a soft cloth with nail polish remover and wipe it across the surface to remove any excess nail polish outside of the scratch. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Keep your glass scratch-free. Number 1. Clean and dry glass with soft cloths. Golian says, never use paper towels, lint towels, or newspapers to clean. These leave marks and scratches behind and should be avoided at all costs. Instead, opt for soft cleaning cloths, like microfiber cloths, to clean and dry your glass. These are also less likely to leave fibers behind after wiping. Make sure your cleaning cloth is free of grit and dirt, as these substances can scratch glass. When choosing a cleaner, make sure the product is labeled as glass safe or made for glass to ensure they won't damage the surface. Number 2. Don't wash glass with hard water. Hard water contains high levels of minerals that can damage glass and other surfaces. If you have hard water, use another source, like bottled water, if possible when cleaning glass. This will protect the surface from unnecessary scratches and it will make the glass easier to clean, as hard water tends to leave a residue. Number 3. Avoid using hot or sharp objects near glass. This may sound obvious, but if you use sharp objects on glass surfaces, the glass is more likely to develop scratches. If you have glass tabletops, avoid placing hot items like plates of cooking utensils directly on the table. Instead, use placemats, coasters, and cutting boards as needed. It also helps to use a tablecloth or a table runner. Number 4. Keep children and pets away from glass. Children may scratch glass surfaces with toys and pets can scratch them with their claws. If you have children or pets, try to keep them away from glass surfaces as much as possible. Consider installing a baby gate for small children, and pet doors if your pet scratches at a glass door when they need to go out. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. When to call a professional. Number 1. Hire a professional if you can't remove the scratches yourself. In some cases, scratches may be too deep in the glass to be removed with DIY methods. If you've already tried to repair the glass yourself and nothing seems to work, it may be time to hire a professional glass repair service. They should be able to either get rid of the scratches or replace the glass altogether. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. When in doubt, consult the manufacturer or a professional glazier. 2. Glass that has been coated or has a film applied to it, including some eyeglasses, cannot be repaired with these methods. For those, you must remove the coating with a product such as Armor Etch, or consult a professional. 3. In some cases it may be helpful to have someone else hold the glass object for you as you attempt to repair it, to lessen the chances of dropping or breakage. Warnings. 1. If your fingernail fits into the scratch, you should not try to fix it using these methods. Consult a professional to refinish or replace the glass. 2. Do not continuously scrub over any scratch spots. This will further damage the glass. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.